Today I'm cooking Kuey Teow Soup for lunch. It is simple, fast and very delicious. This recipe is for 1 to 2 servings. The ingredients needed are 200 grams of Kuey Teow, 90 grams of bean sprout, 80 grams of bok choy with the stem and the leaves separated, 600 ml of chicken broth, otherwise water works as well, half tablespoon of garlic oil, half tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, 5 pieces of fish balls, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of cut spring onions, 5 pieces of prawns, wash and clean, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. The full list of the ingredients is in the See More link. Sprinkle 1/8 teaspoon of salt on the prawns and marinate. Now we can cook it. Switch on the heat, add in all chicken broth, the balance of the salt, pepper, sesame oil, and oyster sauce. Stir until seasoning is well dissolved. Add in the bok choy stem, cover the pot and bring it to boil. This will take around 3 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare a pot with hot boiling water. Add in all the Kuey Teow. Constantly toss and stir in the Kuey Teow for about 30 seconds. Switch off the heat. Strain the Kuey Teow to separate the noodle from the water. Toss the strainer to remove the excess water from the noodles. Sprinkle the garlic oil in the Kuey Teow and stir to mix. This is to prevent the Kuey Teow from clumping together. Leave it aside in a serving bowl. After 3 minutes, the soup is boiling vigorously. Add in the fish balls and continue to cook for 1 more minute. After 1 minute, add in the bean sprout, prawns, bok choy leaves, and the egg. Cook for 30 seconds. Switch off the heat. Now I can give it a taste. Delicious! At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred. Next, assemble the noodles. Scoop the egg out before pouring the soup into the noodles. This is because the egg is half cooked and is quite fragile. Arrange the vegetable on the noodles, prawns, and fish balls. Now pouring the soup. More or less soup can be added as preferred. Chopstick to arrange so that the inside of the soup can be seen. Top with poached egg. Add the balance of garlic oil, spring onions, and crispy fried garlic. And we are done. Very easy and simple. Use the scissor or chopstick to cut the egg. Let's eat! Oh wow, this is super delicious. The soup is very tasty and flavorful, and the Kuey Teow is so soft. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye.